Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I wasn't feeling well, so I'm going outside to cut a couple of spruce needles for to make some spruce tea. So I got this beautiful blue spruce tree in my yard. It's hard to see all the way to the top, but it's a nice big tree, and I'm gonna grab a couple of needles off of it. It's kind of hard trying to hold the camera and do this. So now we'll go make some tea. All right, so I'm gonna boil some water up and then make myself some tea. All right, so now the water's boiling, I'll show you what to do next. Okay. Put the needles in the cup and pour the hot water in. Now, let that sit for 15-20 minutes and you got yourself a tea. Alright, now that I've let the tea steep for 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the twigs with the needles on them and have myself a tea. So I'm just going to put them in this little thing here. So one thing I did want to note is that you shouldn't drink spruce tea if you're pregnant. It's not something I have to worry about, but it's something I wanted to make sure I mentioned. It's good if you have a cold, or like today I have a sore throat. It's good for helping out with that, but everything that I've read says to limit the amount of teas you have to 1, maybe 2 teas per day. So with that being said, bottoms up. That's good. Now if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and if you hit that little bell, you get notified about all the new videos that I put out. Thanks, and have a great day.